So let's do a facial maneuver that has a great effect on your digestive system and your intestines. So if you are having a digestive issue or intestinal issue, we have a great facial maneuver which is really powerful to help you relieve of the digestive discomfort symptoms. Like if you have irritable bowel syndrome or gas, constipation, bloating, and any other discomfort associated with the digestive tract, also your emotional imbalance like fear, guilt, or shame, you can do the psoas release for that. So the psoas release is a very powerful facial maneuver which is not done by stretching the psoas muscle, but it is we are working with the fascia that weaves and surrounds the psoas muscle and the small intestine and the core. So it is targeting all the three. And the main point of blockage is the ileocecal valve, which is the bridge between the large intestine and the small intestine. So that is the point of discomfort, digestive discomfort. So we are going to release that, and it will, as it helps to maintain the balance and the pressure in your digestive organs. So when you do the psoas release is very emotional. It also holds the emotions, and because when you are too much bloated or you are having a lot of emotional trauma, it also causes lots of digestive issues, bloating, constipation. It can also cause diarrhea. So it helps to release all the digestive discomfort physically and also the emotional aspect. So let's get into the psoas release. um, we stand with the feet shoulders width apart and engage our spinal pelvic lock in. Push in your belly button to your spine. Now with your balls of your both the hands, place your fingers on your belly button. Just find your belly button and place your fingers there. Okay, and then you move 2 inches to the right and 2 inches down. So how is it exactly? How do you know? First we are doing it on the right side, so you can say that in between the belly button and the right hip. So just find the midpoint, and that is where you have to pin and lock the fascia. So there we are going to push in and pull the skin up as if you're tearing the skin from your body. So we are going to maintain the grip to maintain the tension. Push in and pull up. Now I'm going to lunge forward with my left leg, bend my left knee, bend my left knee and push my hips forward. Lean back, look up, shoulders back, chest out. Breathe in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in, out. You can lean a lot more back. Breathe in, out, in, out. Now just bring your head to the center. Turn your head to the right and your upper body to the left. Breathe in through the mouth. You can re-grip again if you want, if you've lost the grip. So breathe in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in through the mouth, out through the mouth, in, out, in, out, in, out. Slowly come back to center and unwind. Shake out your hands. Move around and feel that sensation of calmness in your head, in your back, and it goes down to the hip. I can feel it in my entire abdomen to my head, that blood rush and improved breathing capacity of my lungs. So it's not just the psoas, it's everything that the fascia connects. So pinning and locking one part of the body causes the movement to go in the other part of the body, because when we breathe we are expanding internally and causing more movement, and the pressure moves in the body too, and the external movement is also regulated with it. So once you are feeling calmer, now let's get on to the other side. So stand with your feet shoulders width apart, engage your spinal pelvic lock in, hold your P. Now with your fingertips of both the hands, place your fingertips on your belly button, go 2 inches to the left, 2 inches down. So that is in between your belly button and your left hip bone. You find the center, and that is the place where you want to work. So that is the tension spot. So find that tension spot. It will feel tender. You will also feel, if you have gas or bloating, you will feel a lot more or tension there. So push in with your fingertips and pull the skin up. Now maintain the grip. Now lunge forward with your right feet. Lunge forward with your right feet. Bend your right feet. Push your hips forward. Lean back. Chest out. Shoulders back. Breathe in through the mouth. Out through the mouth. In through the mouth. Out through the mouth. In through the mouth. Out through the mouth. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Breathe in. Out. Now bring your head to the center. Keep your hips forward. Look to the left. Turn your head to the left and your upper body to the right. Now breathe in through the mouth. Out through the mouth. In through the mouth. Out through the mouth. In through the mouth. Out through the mouth. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Now slowly unwind. Come back to center. Move from side to side. Or you can just walk around to integrate the changes. Feel that sensation of calmness in your body. You feel the sensation of calmness in your head and in your abdomen. Just take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. See how your lungs capacity improves and how the breathing improves with each maneuver, how you feel that feel good hormones are releasing in your body, and it is feeling completely amazing. You are less bloated, you are not constipated, you have less digestive discomfort, which diminishes and your over time, and you are gradually feeling much better over time, physically and mentally.